Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to make a digital alarm clock with custom sound and message GUI kind of an application inside Tkinter in Python. So here it's a digital alarm clock. Here you can set alarms very easily using, you can set a specific time and then set this alarm. So I've given all the source code of this application in the description of the video. So here we can set the time here. So uh, let me set this time here 7:03 and just click on set alarm. So as soon as you click the set alarm, you will see it will display the current time, which is 7:2:20, and the alarm time is 7:3:22. So as soon as the target time comes, it will give you a slight little notification of the message and also a specific sound as well. So that way you will be notified whenever your time comes. So you can just do open this application in the background and then just let this run. As soon as the target time comes right here, you'll be notified with a custom sound and a message. So let me just wait for the target time to appear. So if you are in a different tab as well, then also it will notify you. So that way you will be notified when the target time comes. So it's a very useful kind of an application. You will see that now it will make a slight, you will see it has make the slight sound, and also there's this time to wake up. You can customize this message accordingly. So let me just stop this. So this is the overall script. We are using the Tkinter framework. So from Tkinter you need to import everything, and then you also need to import the date time module, the time module as well, the wind sound module, and then from the threading module we need to import everything. So these are the necessary packages. Now we just need to initialize the window. You can set the size of the window, width and the height, and then these are series of functions you can define here for the alarm kind of application. So first function is the threading function. So here we start a new thread as you set the alarm here. So you'll be making use of multiple threads inside Python, multi-threading concept. And secondly, you'll be calling this alarm function, which will run. So as you can see, we are calling this alarm function, and here we are putting this while loop, and whatever is the alarm time, we are getting it in this format: hour, minute, and second. And then we are sleeping for 1 second, and then currently getting the current time and just comparing it, the current time and the alarm time, and then if the two times make is equal to one another, then we simply print out the statement that time to wake up, or we play a specific sound. So this sound is present here in our operating system, so you can play any sound of your choice, and then we basically set labels on the screen. So we basically accept this input from the user. So we are, so this is the overall interface here. I've given all the source code in the description of the video. So we are accepting the minute input, then we also accepting the second input as well, and the hour input. Then we have a simple button to submit, and let me just call the main loop function to actually start the application. So again, if you execute this, the interface will look something like this, and then you can set the alarm, the target time you can set, and then the alarm will be set, and you can just let this application open in the background, and then as the target time will come, it will wake you up. So this is essentially this application. And thank you very much for watching this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.